Hey, what's up, dudes? We are Friday afternoon. We're in the middle of a really interesting swap, a GR STI drivetrain into a GD. We need a mental break, so we decided we're going to get my old 1986 Subaru Loyale back to my house. We have two tow trucks here. We do have a car trailer and a slew of pickup trucks, but we're going to do something really different. So we'll bring you out there to show you what's up. So there she is, ready to go. Does have one unique addition though. Really unique. I might even leave this permanently. It's so sweet. So this is some sort of tongue item, and it's attached to the little tow hooks. And then we're going to attach this to
the most powerful vehicle we have here.
Probably the best tow vehicle on the lot. This 2006 Subaru. So the Subaru is gonna pull home the Loyale. I think it's probably like 22 kilometers away. It should be pretty awesome. It's Friday during rush hour, so this is gonna be extra awesome. All right, dude, no problem. All right, later, Zach. All right, keep coming there. It's precision shit. All right, yeah, keep coming. You got like 2.5 feet. Keep coming. Don't squish me. A little bit more, like 6 more inches. A little more. That's good. All right, we're mated. I think that's it. Like, it's magnetic. So yeah, you can see, look, they've magneted, and all we got to do is attach this chain now that the magnet is touching. Yep, just a little. All right, we're on. Now we spin the doohickey. This is really very sketchy. This is very...
That looks
goofy. It's around like at least 30% of the ball.
kilometers an hour?
Yeah, we'll just go straight home. They didn't teach us that in school, so it's not our fault. Put this really secure thing here.
Yep.
Then we twist it, and there, that should totally,
you know what you need when you're sitting in this?
take care of my life.
You know how...
What's up, man?
All right, so on your phone, dial 9 and 1.
Yeah.
And then when we crash, you only have to press 1 to get the ambulance.
Perfect.
Got a
Wanna
gangster
get
lean
comfy?
out a bit.
Yeah.
Man, that interior's nice.
There.
I'm a fan of brown on brown.
Oh, me too. Well, at least I'll put some tunes on for the toe. No, never mind.
Well, if something goes wrong, he has to steer it.
Yeah. Yeah, this is definitely the safest place to be, I feel.
All right.
For the sake of the car. So, you know, Tesla has like those self-driving cars. Well, so does Subaru. Just cruising, having a good old time. It's sweet. Whoa, speedo. Look at that. It's the fastest she's gone in a long time. Wow, 30, almost 40. What's the RPMs at? Pretty low. This is really actually pretty scary. I'm kind of scared. Whoa. But yeah, it's pretty neat. Like, it, as we turn, it turns the steering wheel. I guess just because that's the way it is. But yeah. This is something I've definitely never done before. Such a nice car. Well, we made it.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
that was pretty easy.
Hooked. Didn't even crash. Oh. She's taking off, man. She frisky. Now, gotta get it into that spot there.
Sweet.
Set it.
No wonder it's easy to tow.
Yeah,
thing
this
rolls
is
so
light.
well. Perfect.
Yeah, look at that. Legacy generations. Wow. Alright dudes, well, that was it for this vid. So if you ever want to do something super sketchy, you can just do that.
Legally, don't do what we did.
No, definitely
Yeah,
don't.
that's-
Yeah. We maybe saw like 2 other cars.
That were not
Neither of them
highly
were police,
populated
so
area.
it's mint.